Traders, welcome back to another Relentless recap. Guys, as you're tuning in, hit that thumbs up button, and if you're a new viewer, consider subscribing to the channel. Guys, red day recap, second red day in a row here to end the week. Not great, not what we wanted, and very disappointing because both today and yesterday I was green at some points throughout the day, didn't walk away, and ended up getting chopped out in some of the trades I took. Also, missing the front side of the move, man. In terms of NTBX here into the late morning, early afternoon. Left out after the live stream, came back and literally, saw this thing at the very top of this move here. And it was nothing but pullback. Traded the pullback all the way down, gave back more profits, and became very hesitant, you know wondering if the stock is finished. Hey, are we on the backside? Are we done? And just ultimately, missing the opportunity, trading the backside, and then also just losing confidence in doing so, right? So when I finally noticed the stock bottoming out, not having confidence to buy the dip down here at the very low, missing this trade, scalping it on the way up, making back a little, but not nearly as good as a trade as it could have been if I'm to just be aggressive and confident to just take the entry like I saw it to sell into the highs as the stock went higher. So, very poor trading in terms of the second half of the day when I came back. Needed to be more aware. Hey, we're super extended. I was just thinking, man, this thing is just going to go and go and go right through the pre-market highs. Instead, it's going to give one huge cup and handle here, right, in terms of the bigger time frame from pre-market up to, 11 a.m. And now we're sideways on a flag. So maybe it continues next week, but ultimately, it's going to be a double top versus the pre-market highs. And I came on the backside, missing everything here and just churning and chopping. So no good. Just, one thing I want to say, man, is that, understanding the patterns, knowing the patterns, knowing the edge that I know and love, it comes down to trusting, man, trusting what works and not getting gun shy, not hesitating. The hesitation, even in this backside, I could have made money. I mean, the hesitation is the real thing that killed me. We had a lot of big pullbacks and then rips, but the hesitation, is what really killed me. And then, finally getting in on a nice entry, selling it soon because, it's like, oh my goodness, finally a winner. Let me take this 20 cents. But hey, the stock, that was, you sold prematurely. The stock was saying that we can get back up there 80 cents. Instead, I take 20 cents off the table. So just, all around lack of focus, lack of confidence, and not good. So this weekend is, I'm glad it's the weekend. I'm going to take the time to reset and then come back stronger on Monday. Monday I will be ready. Monday I will be ready. The pastor will be more than ready on Monday. We'll study up. We got a ton of archives to go through, and I'll look through some of Marcel's archives from MMU, right? Going through some of his trades. I'll review my archives as well, and just try to see where I can be better. I want to go back over and even maybe some on-demand stuff too, just to get a better bearing. So yesterday we were down at 8.99. I think I don't know if I showed my P&L yesterday. I mean, what we can do now, I'll upload to TraderView. So I'm not gonna, how long we're pushing? 3 minutes? Okay. Yeah, this isn't gonna be too bad. Usually we'll do a long recap on Fridays, but this shouldn't be too bad. So let's go back to the beginning of the week. We'll import the trader view and we'll see how we did. I know my accuracy was much higher earlier in the week. Just from me trading, I can definitely tell, but this was not good here today. So let's export this to our PC and we should be good. So let's see. Trader view. I don't know why it's never signed in. Like, why does it do this? Do I not have remember me? Calendar, import. We are hiring. TraderView is hiring. Choose file, documents. Let's get our file that we just saved. Account statement ending in, geez, there's a lot here. In the 5th. So here we go. Everybody's now doing remote. Okay, so we got to give it another couple seconds. And we are good. Okay, so duplicates are ignored as usual. So, not good, man. Not good. We had an $899 red day yesterday and now down 140. So, we are on a bit of a red streak, might I say, dare I say, right? Let's tighten up here to this week. It's still a pretty decent week, but I mean, we really undercapitalized these last, and this accuracy here is just so awful. I mean, this is bad. Um, I haven't really ever been below 49% this often, but I understand why it's happening. Over trading the pullbacks, losing money. That's the issue right now, right? So we got to improve, man. We got to get better. We got to we got to tighten up, man. We got to tighten up. It's the only way we can get to where we need to be is by tightening up. We got to manage risk. We got to be a little bit more decisive. I've been very indecisive. I've been very hesitant in certain areas. It's like hit or miss. I realized when I started the day having trouble, I never follow through with the level of confidence that I'm supposed to. If I start off, I'm connecting. It doesn't even have to be a big share size, but if I'm connecting, I start to get into that zone, and then just like that, we can really, get into it. But when I start off green, red, red, green, green, red, red, green, I start to just ease off, and I'm trying to fight that. I'm trying to fight that to try and still be a little bit more assertive when I see the quality of the opportunities that I like. But and today was a good example. NTBX and excuse me, NBTX, right? As it was going sideways, I did recognize very early the dips are working, but I just was so passive towards trying to even attack those entries. So those are the type of things that we can do a better job of next week. Today was a little bit of an adjustment. Again, I think things are slowing down a little bit, but we'll be ready next week. We'll come correct, and I think leaving out, man. Whenever I take that break after the stream, I try to go walk around a little bit, stretch my legs, maybe get some fruit sometimes. I gotta try and make that break quicker. That way, I don't miss as much because it seems like I've been missing a good amount of stuff this week, right? I mean, NBTX, this move that we missed here was just, ridiculous. This was just too much to miss. From lows of 490s all the way up to 776. Relentless trader came on, it was halted up, and after the resumption, the resumption itself was a little tricky. We didn't quite dip and rip right away, so I got chopped out there. But yeah, guys, so it's been a decent week, but we got to up our game next week to do a little bit better because that's the aim. Can we have day over day, week over week improvement? And there definitely is a lot of opportunities and potential that we're undercapitalizing on. So that's the aim, that's the goal. We'll be back on Monday for hopefully an even better day in the markets, guys. It's been RT. Hit the thumbs up. And guys, if you're not a part of the Discord, what are you waiting on? All right, be sure to check out the Discord. This is where we, have it going on. This is our chat room. There's almost 3,000 people in here. So be sure to check it out. We got a lot of people calling out stuff, posting charts, P&Ls, and other funny things at times, as we can see here. Yeah, also check out Momo Pro if you're interested in a scanning platform. Momo Pro is the only platform that I use, so be sure to check it out. If you are interested in it, you can always use code Relentless for 25% off. As you guys will see, these are all the top stocks of the day here: NBTX, MINM, SVFD, BAOS, and so forth. The number one thing I think between uh, you know, myself and some of the other guys in this community, I think it's just consistency with the discipline, right? The disciplinary issues that I have are not issues that will cause me to have crazy blow up days and give back a big chunk of my profits or something crazy like that. It's a discipline to continue to attack A quality opportunities regardless of if the momentum is choppy or not. That and the willingness to be a little bit more patient to in front of the screen. Sometimes I'll sit here an extra 30, 40 minutes and I'll be like, nothing moving. I'm going to go take another quick break. I come back, stock is in the moon. So, a little bit more discipline towards just sticking around longer as well and having that same energy and mindset of attacking A quality opportunities if they present themselves, right? Because some of the guys, they're starting red as well. Some of the other traders here on YouTube in the live stream, they'll say, hey, I was down 1K, but here I am back up 800. It's happening all over trading, right? Sometimes we get swings, but the main thing is that if we're going to dig ourselves out of a hole, we got to be focused, we got to be locked in, we got to be dialed in, and we got to be ready to attack the A quality opportunities without fear. So, that's the goal next week, and I think we will be ready. We'll do our due diligence and come back stronger than ever. Guys, it's been RT. We're up 4,700 on the week. It's still a great week. But I don't like that the bulk of our gains came from one day, right? It means that on the other 4 days, we undercapitalized. All right, so stay safe, stay green. I am out.